I got all kinds of things going on today. I got a right here. Got a tubing rod set up, and looking for basses. Sorry, bud. Looking for basses. And I'm looking to see if I get something deep up on the bottom as well. So I kind of just doing everything really. Caught up on a weed, but we'll see. You know, just trying to find a pattern of the day. Trying to find a pattern, that's important. And I have no pattern right now. I'm all over the place. I got worms, I got tubes, and I have another rod set up with a spoon and worm. So there's no telling what we'll be doing. So I'm going to be looking at some deeper drops, and I'm not sure what that is. Just trying to figure out what those fish are going to be doing. Don't even know what we're going to be fishing for yet. So far we got a little bass. So hot noonday. Yeah, there's some on the grass. Nothing big, but I'll take them. That wind is really kicked up today. So I don't know. I'm just kind of rolling. Seem to be picking them up. Over the weeds, smaller fish. But I'm probably going to be at some time. I'm going to dunk some worms. Deep? I don't know. Maybe shallow. Who knows? Oh man, still have not found any kind of pattern, but we're picking out fish. And that is a nice yellow perch. Wow. Doing a little of the worms. That is a nice eating yellow perch. Some nice fillets out of that. Wow. So I'm just kind of, it's real windy out, so I'm just kind of working with that. Oh, it's been a, all right, wow, that's a nice perch. White perch, yellow perch, bluegill, largemouth bass. Super windy out, so I decided to just anchor up and fish it through. See how this produces. It's actually a decent location. All different kinds of things going on in this kind of center spot. I can hit all kinds of different things, do different things. So, all right, we've got the worms, we've got the jigs, I got the spoons, so a little everything. Whoa, that slammed. Wow, there's a school of perch down there. Come on back. There he is. Oh, there he goes. That was probably a bluegill. I'm going to send this down. I'm going to get my other rod ready. I got the casting rod. I got the worm rod. So, let's see. Wow, yellow perch. All right. And the yellow. All right. Easy. I thought he was going to be a pain. So we're wrapping him out. Let's see what he is. Wow, that's a white. That's a good white. Wow, these are decent. These are decent eating. Quality white perch. So if we're lucky, they'll keep us busy. Maybe we'll do some other things with them. We'll see how they're laid out, stacked up, come go. That's kind of what they do. Tossing the tube out in the middle. Oh, that's a big perch. He just engulfed that. Wow. Wow, those are two really nice big yellow perches in the mix. Wow, that's incredible. Do the fluke turn. There we go. Wow, those are good eating perch. Oh man, I should have kept a couple. Had a nice dinner, that's for sure. I haven't hit the yellows big yet, but who knows. Super windy day out, really, and so I just decided to drop the anchor and work the water here, and then all right, we'll see what it does. So far it's okay. So Had a largemouth bass, yellow perch, white perch, bluegills. We're stacked. Not so much today. Kind of nipping around, so fish moving, coming, going, blowing with the wind fishing. I guess we just blowing with the wind, but we anchored up. We on tight now. So let's see, he might be a yellow perch. Yeah. Wow, I think we had a nice. Oh, I don't want to say too quick. These are some nice yellows. Throw him in the cooler. He took that deep. No, he didn't. He did. Came right up. Let's see if there's more. I'd have to shift. Right. Those are some decent perch. Oh, so he got through. Really buckled down the water. Wow, got soaked. So drying up. Hopefully it gets hot. I want it to cool down now. I want to get hot. I want it to be hot. Oh, no, that big bluegill. Oh, every time I pull one up, the big guys come through. It's just hammering the bluegill. This is definitely something different. Let's see. I was going to move, but whoa! That is not something big. That is a big bluegill. He's about a pound, I think. He's up there. Woohoo! So maybe I am going to move. Wow, that is a nice bluegill. Bluegill. That could be a catty. I think it is. Yeah! It's a catty. All right. Yeah! But, I'm gonna get start catty fishing. We're gonna eat that. And, get going. Do a little how to eat that. Let's see. Where's my hook, mister? So we had a little bit of everything today. Catties. Oh. Bluegill. Oh God, a bluegill. Crazy this year. White perch. Largemouth bass. Really kind of wanted to fish for the bass. I'll do that next time. Yellow perch. Decents too. Decent yellow perches. And doing a little bit of everything. With the worm. We're here. They're going to do up another craw worm. Get a few catties. Got a little chilly out, but ain't bad. Dang well. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a catfish. That's decent too. Whoa! You get, oh, he wrapped around. Did he even eat it? those bullhead, they'll clamp down on you good. Ooh, that's a good hook set. That's a good hook set. So we got some caddy action. Caddy, caddy, caddy. All right. Man, I'm getting hungry. Ooh. Yeah, we got some caddies. So I'm getting hungry. Oh, maybe stop at Arby's. Arby's got the meats. Yeah, I got some caddy action now. Caddy shack style. Ooh, something buzzed by my head. Let's get it here. Slow down. Yeah. Okay, bub, we'll see you when you're 10 pounds. Oh, he's a good one. Man, yeah, he's all right. Whoa, it's a nice caddy. Wow, that's a decent catch. Oh, that was a decent catfish. All right, one more hook. So I am gonna get going, but anyway, thanks for watching. You have a good afternoon, back to evening, wherever you are. Leave a comment. Ooh, and we'll see you next time.